people, this is Ruchika Parekh. I welcome you to the third episode of our show Road to 2024. This report is regarding why Congress is likely to fail in elections 2024 as well. After Lok Sabha debacle 2019, Congress is facing a tough time to survive. Even questions are being raised on the grand old party's existence. The party president Rahul Gandhi toiled hard across the country, but the script of his poll campaign had no clear end goal. Rahul kept targeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi, addressing him as Chaukidar Chor hai, without pitting himself as an alternative. The charges against Modi on Rafale lacked punch on demonstrative evidence. Worse was his inability to wriggle out of legal wrangling, where he had himself drawn the wrath of the Supreme Court for ludicrously attributing the Chaukidar Chor hai remark to the apex court. Fundamental flaws, no strategy in place. After a humiliating defeat in Lok Sabha, Congress has no strategy in place. The Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) led National Democratic Alliance has witnessed a landslide victory and has performed even better in 2014. The Congress-led campaign in this election was very different. The party tried to hard bring the issue of corruption with a direct attack on Prime Minister, along with the issue of farmers' unrest, unemployment among youth, inflation, demonetization and goods and services tax. Congress also came out with a proposal of the NYAY scheme to lure the marginalized sections of the society. However, the corruption issue could not influence the electorate in any way, and the idea of NYAY could not reach the potential group of electorate, despite a very hard-fought and vigorously canvassed election campaign by Rahul Gandhi. The biggest weakness of the Congress has been poor organization structure, minimal resources and diminishing vibrant leadership at the state level, among other issues. Reports are also saying that Congress' humiliating defeat in the recently concluded Lok Sabha elections were a cumulative effect of bad data collection by its analytics team, and Economics Times has suggested. According to the report, the Grand Old Party failed to establish an accurate ear-to-ground sense, courtesy Project Shakti Congress data analytics team not being able to correctly gauge the Modi 2.0 wave, lacking future plans. While Congress is currently facing a leadership crisis, it is also lacking future plans to tackle the Modi government 2.0. After conceding defeat in Lok Sabha elections, Mr. Gandhi addressed a press conference in Delhi where he conceded the elections to Mr. Modi, saying the people had given their mandate and chosen the BJP. He also took full responsibility for the Congress party's defeat. Refusing to give further details about the Congress performance on what would come next, Mr. Gandhi said it would all be discussed in the meeting of the Congress Working Committee, the party's top decisions-making body. He also told the Congress workers, the one who lost, the one who won, not to lose hope. There is no need to be afraid, we will continue to work hard and we will eventually win. But since then, nobody from Congress has come out to talk about Lok Sabha elections, debacle or discussed in future plans. Now, while BJP has a strong cabinet and it's feeling invincible, Congress is still introspection. This is the news update. Till yet, please subscribe the channel for such interesting content.
Bye bye, Tata, goodbye.